Hi, in this video I'll walk you through how I created a reproducible pipeline to train a reasoning capable Gemma model using Tunix on Kaggle TPUs. I'll briefly cover the database and training setup, reward design, and the final evaluation results. Let's get straight to our datasets. I have used a combination of GSM 8K for math dataset, MBPP for coding dataset, SciQ for science dataset, and Dolly 15K for creative dataset. Uh, we also faced a challenge when it came to dataset imbalance. I applied weighted resampling so underrepresented domains are seen more frequently during training. This significantly improved coding behavior without sacrificing diversity and made the model more robust for general application. We create two datasets, one for training and one for testing, as we can see here. Now let's get to our now let's get to loading base model and LoRa. I start from the Gamma 2 base model and apply LoRa for parameter efficient fine tuning. This keeps the base model frozen and only trains a small set of low rank parameters, which is crucial for staying within Kaggle's TPU limits, while still enabling effective adaptation. This makes training our model using GRPO very efficient. So this is all facilitated with Unix. And getting to our reward function, which is very crucial part of a GRPO training. Our reward is task aware and multi-component. It enforces correct output format, domain specific correctness, and includes behavioral penalties to prevent trivial answers or leaking solutions into the reasoning trace. This was essential for stable learning across heterogeneous tasks. So as you can see, we use a combination of different functions to reward our GRPO setup. So for training, we use GRPO, which is an advanced reinforcement learning algorithm that is especially used to efficiently train large language models for complex reasoning. It improves upon standard PPO by using relative group performance for updates, making LLM training faster and more memory efficient, especially for step-by-step reasoning. We use Tunix to set up our GRPO config and start a GRPO learner, and it trains for a long time, and we get our trained model. Now let's get to evaluation. Our evaluation matrices are logged to weights and biases, and though the function is not perfect, but we can see that our format is 100% accurate and our answers are somewhat accurate, giving us a partial accuracy of 71%. And we can also use the generate function to see that it produces very promising results, as the reasoning is within reasoning tags and the answer is within answer tags, and it answers